Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you my fidgets. Not all of them, because I lost some of them. Fix your bearing. That's all of them. Why don't I show you guys what they do? This one glows in the dark. Here, let me turn my light off to show you guys. Look at that. This is probably one of my favorite ones. Okay. I'm gonna turn my light back on now. Just put this back in the box now. I'll save this one for last. Now I got this one from 7-Eleven. I don't like this one because it just doesn't feel very comfortable in my hand. But, yeah. But it's not too bad of a fidget, but it's, like, just not the right fidget for me. And now it's the UFO ones. Why don't we have a battle and see which one can go better? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Now let's just see which one can go the longest. And that didn't seem very fair. That one's going down. I don't know why, but this one looks silver. It's actually gold. You guys can see this blue. Put them back in the box. I switched fidgets around for this one. I took black bearings off of my first fidget. And so I also put some other bearings in it off of another fidget. And then I ended up with this. This one, one of my brother's friends gave it to him, and my brother gave it to me. As you can see, it's got that green oh my god. And it's missing a cap. It's got 2 green caps for one of them, and then 2 black caps for the bottom. So yeah, there's nothing special to this one except for the colors. Oh, and it's got the red finger pads. This one I got from Walmart. It was pretty smooth until I dropped it a few times, so yeah, that lasted a couple days. That's it. So yeah. Okay, this is the last one I wanted to show you guys. This, I ordered it off of Wish, I think. It glows in the dark, so why don't I show you guys? Yeah, it's not showing very well on camera. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It still looks like the same color, but the light's off. Completely off. And then let me just turn it back on. Bam. So yeah, those are my fidgets. And I will see you guys later.